What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It has been a very long time and I wanted to pop on here and share why. So I am sitting on my couch in my new apartment. Also, I am loving this dress. This is a Kitnish dress by it's a Jessie James Decker's clothing line. Super cute stuff. We have very similar style. And then this bee necklace, this like pearl B is from my boutique, Perfectly Chic Boutique, which I will link down below as well. But I am obsessed with the whole getup. It's so cute for spring and summer. It's been a long while since I have been on here, and there is a lot of different reasons why. So don't mind this like stuff that's on my hand. I got my iron levels checked, and like a blood draw, and the sticker like won't come off. So any tips on how to get this off without having to scratch every bit of it off would be greatly appreciated, but don't mind that. So this video is going to be my current favorites. I used to do favorites all the time, and I love filming my favorite videos. I have some really good stuff, and it's not too many because I didn't want to come back and bombard you guys with all of this new stuff I've been using, because I do have quite a few things that I am pretty obsessed with. But I wanted to share with you guys pretty much things that I use every single day. Literally, I think I use these products on the table next to me on a daily basis, so, or at least every other day. So I'll be sharing with you guys my favorites, along with sharing some life updates. So as you can see, I am in my new apartment and I'm on my new couch. I have like a bunch of new furniture. Everything is different. And we moved. So from the last video, which I think was like sometime in 2020, in the end of 2020, me and PJ split up in December of last year. It was the middle of December of last year. And it's been a lot of downs, some ups. You know, breakups are never easy, especially when children are involved. And we just have always had this like really great friendship. You know, besides having like been in a relationship, at the end of the day, we've always just been really good friends, and like been able to be really good friends. But it seems like when we're in a relationship, like sometimes we clash, and to be honest, it's over really silly things. And there is just some things that between the both of us that just we need to work on. Like, we need to work on ourselves, and sometimes relationships need to separate in order for, you know, that person to work on themselves. I believe that in God's world, because I do believe in God, and if you don't, no judgment, but I feel like in God's world, nothing happens by mistake. We are at a pretty good place right now. So we share Adriana. She's currently not here. She is with her dad. I have actually moved twice this year. Originally, when we had split up, I actually had to move really fast because our lease was up. So when we had separated, we were obviously not going to renew our lease in the other place, which you guys had seen in previous videos. It was also really expensive at that apartment for the small space that we were in. We honestly could have been living in a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom house for the price that we were paying for that condo. We could have bought a home. And we were actually in the process of buying a home because we had realized how much we were paying in that luxury apartment. That is another reason why I and he did not choose to stay in that condo. So since the lease was up, I had to move really fast. The first place that I found, I jumped onto it and moved. I knew that I wasn't going to stay there. I knew that it wasn't going to be my forever home. And I knew that once the dust had settled and everything was pretty much like okay, and I had enough money saved, that I was going to be moving into a bigger place, which is the one I'm in right now. Perfect for us. It is super close to my family. It's where I want to be. I have never been happier. I am super content, very blessed. I have all of my furniture of my dreams that I have been like eyeing for years, like my aesthetic that I've always wanted, or like just certain things. Like, it's different when you've like kind of accumulated furniture. When you're in a relationship, you accumulate things together. I really got to like start over and decorate my house like for me and Adriana, and how I like have been wanting things but just didn't have the chance or the time to do it. I'm just very proud of myself and who I'm becoming. It has been a very, very difficult year so far, to be quite frank. Just a lot of ups and downs. I'm out and to be like settled in and to have this wonderful, beautiful space that I love and I'm comfortable in and that I got on my own. I've come really, really far. Going through all of that, there was no way that I could put that on YouTube. I also have told you guys in the past, I have people who, which I shouldn't care about this, but I have people who watch my channel and watch my every move, and they don't want the best for me. Like they don't like me, they don't want the best for me, they don't want to see me shine or be happy. They're haters, they're jealous, and it's just, I didn't want to put my business and my stuff out there, even though I have wonderful subscribers and all of you for the most part are super sweet and supportive and loving and have been here with me through so much, and that's why I never want to stray away from YouTube. But there is just sometimes that you need to take breaks from things like that, because there are people watching that want to see you fail. And I just didn't feel the need to put every inch of my business and our business as a family, because at the end of the day, we are still a family of 4. Jordan's been in my life since he was 2 years old. That is my daughter's brother, and run back to him and tell him things because he always ends up telling me. He tells me pretty much everything that goes back to him. So it's just, I just didn't want to put all of that out there. But I feel like now, since we are at a good place, and I am at a good place, and he is at a good place, and the kids are doing great, that everything is good to talk about. But let's get into these favorites. I will share basically everything that I have out here is stuff that I've used today. So this is the Kittenish Illuminating Facial Tan Mist. I love this stuff. Every single night before I, or after I'm done taking off my makeup, I will spray this stuff on. Sometimes I do it in the morning, like if I'm just doing my morning skincare and I'm not wearing makeup that day, I will put it, I'll just spray. The only thing about it is I wish that this sprayer was a little different. It comes out kind of weird. It comes out kind of harsh, when you spray it. So you do have to be kind of farther away, and I just spray down in like downward motions. Doesn't really have much of a smell to it, but it gives you this really nice illuminating glow. It doesn't make you orangey or anything. It's just super pretty, kind of like a contoured look. You could spray your neck, which I love doing because I try to have my neck always tan to match my makeup when I'm wearing makeup. Sticking with tanner, this is the Bali Body Face Tan Water. This is actually something I used yesterday and I really loved it as well. So this is something a little bit different. The spout looks like this, and what you do is you put it on a cotton pad, and when you have no makeup on, you just wipe it as if you were using a micellar water or something. On a cotton pad, you just pump probably a good amount onto it, and then you just gently rub it all over your face, and it also will make you tan the next morning. So that's just a different way to kind of illuminate and tan your face. This you can really contour your face with because you use it on a face pad. So you just wipe the areas that you want to contour, and then you'll be tan in those areas. That one is a little bit darker, so just be careful when using that. But I've been obsessed with these two or not just these two, but this whole line. I actually bought all of them, every single one. They smell amazing. This one is perfect for summer. This is the Moody Peach. Smell amazing. They smell like cake. This one is cookies and milk, so it's more of the brownish color. Gives you that taupey look on top of a really pretty lipstick. I like using this one with Myth by MAC, which is my favorite lipstick, along with Creme de Nude, which I've been using a ton with those lip glosses. There's one more lip gloss that's actually in my bag. I will link it. It's a lighter shade of this one. It's more of the taupe color, and this is Milky Gloss also, and it's just, it's the best one. That's why it's in my car right now, because I take it with me everywhere I go. I will put it on the screen so you guys can see the color of it because it's so pretty. As you can see, I love this baby. This is the best summer, spring, sunny day setting spray. Smells amazing. Madison Beer, you did phenomenal on this. Lockdown Luminescing setting spray. It has just the right amount of sparkle. Like, do you see how stunning that is? So pretty. I used it today. Doesn't even really like make your skin, like it doesn't set with a sparkle like in one area. It's kind of like all over. And it smells really good. It makes your face look really dewy and beautiful, and I'm just super obsessed with it. Along with my e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. I'm wearing this right now on my face, and this is the best drugstore foundation you will use. Hands down. Color correcting full coverage natural finish with collagen, peptides, and niacinamide. Also has SPF 30. So can't really beat that. It has collagen and SPF, just the right amount of SPF, and it has very thick, good coverage without feeling cakey and like just globby and like there's too much foundation on your skin. I can't even feel it. This is the highlighter I have been using. I'm wearing it today. I've been getting tons of compliments on this baby. This is the Glazed Donut by Ofra. It is so beautiful. Another really great like highlighter for spring and summer. Really makes your makeup stand out if you're wanting that like extra glazy pop. This is the one. It's been my absolute favorite. I pretty much use it every single day. I haven't touched any other highlighter because that one I can't get enough of it. I could wear it without even wearing makeup. It's so pretty. Two lippies. This is the lip liner. This has been like a tried and true for probably 4 years. I just wanted to share it again because Urban Decay 24/7 Glide-Ons are probably my favorite lip liners. I love them. They're amazing. They glide on super easy and good. This one is Liar, probably like my 10th one of these. And I love it. I use it with so many different ones. It gives you the perfect pop to basically any lipstick. This I love using on a daily basis. It smells like coconuts, which I love anything coconut. This is the Maracuja Juicy Lip in Grapefruit. I have this one and which I think I have the clear one. It gives this color. Very pretty like shine. You can wear this over lipsticks and stuff, but I actually like using it when I'm not wearing makeup and I just need some moisturization to my lips. And then last two products. This is actually a night treatment, or actually you could use this in the morning too. You only put 4 to 5 drops onto your skin. This is by Tula, and this is the Wrinkle Treatment Drops. It's a retinol alternative serum. Probiotics in it, superfoods, they have really good ingredients. You just put a little bit of this all over your face, and it's supposed to be a retinol like alternative. So if you're pregnant, you can use this, because if you're pregnant, you can't use retinol. I like to put this on right after I am done cleansing, and then I will put my moisturizer and my lotions and all that good stuff. And last but not least is my perfume. I actually found this so random. I found this little guy at Old Navy. I was shopping for Adriana some new clothes for summer, and I found this at Old Navy. They have like a bunch of different sprays, and this one's watermelon hibiscus. Like, it just smells so refreshing. First of all, I love watermelon. Anything watermelon, bring it my way. It's so refreshing. It's so cleansing. Like, it's very like, it's just a clean, like refreshing smell. Like, it's just so good for summer too. I'm just like, I could bathe in it. And the hibiscus in this makes it smell like a really good perfume. It's not like you're wearing like a kid's like watermelon like body spray. The hibiscus in this makes it very like feminine and more adult-like, while still having the watermelon scent, if you know what I mean. Because watermelon can really give off that like kiddish like body spray type smell. But the hibiscus with the watermelon, like this smells like a woman's perfume. Just so good. Go smell it at your local Old Navy. You will just thank me later. Is everything that I wanted to share with you guys today. I am so excited that I am back. I have a lot of different videos filmed, and I just really missed you guys. I really missed filming. This is something I've always loved to do, and I'm just glad that I'm finally settled in and I can share things with you guys and just be back to doing what I love to do. Also, you can always follow me on my social media, my boutique page, my personal Instagram, all of that. I still always post there. So if you have been wondering also where I've been, I haven't really said anything on my Instagram or anything like that, but I do post daily outfits. And of course, for the boutique, I always am posting new arrivals that we get. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day or night and that you enjoyed this video and miss me as much as I missed you guys. And that's it. I will see you guys in my next one.